Hello everyone. We came to Andaman and Nicobar Islands as a tour first time with my all family members through Archer Hospitality. The arrangements were done very efficiently, effectively and without any disturbances. It is a seamless transportation and arrangement done by Archer Hospitality. In fact, we have been assigned with one representative from Archer Hospitality, who is Simran. She has done a fantastic job. In fact, we did not think through. This is my fourth day. We did not think through anything, any difficulties on last 4 days. It is really smooth movement everywhere. Wherever we go, like Havelock and return to Port Blair. Now we are in Andaman Jail. Again, this tour is being made for my entire family happy. Thanks to Simran and Archer Hospitality. Once again, the special thanks to Simran for making this tour successful. Thank you.